Formula One is coming to Singapore, and we're shifting gears with a coding competition and workshop called the Strive F1 Challenge. Whether you're a complete beginner with no coding experience or a seasoned pro, you'll team up with your friends and learn how to use Python to race other teams in who can code the most thrilling F1-inspired game, app, or animation. Winning teams will go home with some epic prizes and be crowned Strive's F1 Challenge champions. During the event, we're hosting 3 workshops. One for complete beginners with no coding experience, another for intermediate coders, and lastly, a storytelling and video editing workshop to help you make a YouTube or TikTok video to show off your final project. The F1 Challenge is happening online on Sunday, the 24th of September at 2 p.m. Singapore time. You can go ahead and register at strivemath.com/F1. It's time to rev up your coding skills, be a part of a high velocity competition, and accelerate your path to a future in tech. I'll see you there.